Is there anything worse than realizing you need to cancel an appointment you've already booked, and then dreading the whole process? We've all been there, right? That sudden change in plans, the unexpected urgent matter, or even just a moment of double booking. Life happens. And sometimes, those perfectly scheduled appointments become a logistical nightmare. And if you're using Vagaro, a platform designed to make booking beauty and wellness services so seamless, you might be wondering, can I actually cancel an appointment on Vagaro, or am I locked in? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Vagaro cancellations. We'll explore not just if you can cancel, but how to do it, what to expect, and some pro tips to make the process as smooth as possible for both you and the business. Because let's be honest, nobody wants awkward conversations or unnecessary fees, especially when you're just trying to manage your schedule. First things first, yes, you absolutely can cancel an appointment on Vagaro. Vagaro is designed to be a flexible and user-friendly platform for both clients and businesses. It understands that schedules change, and it provides the tools necessary to manage those changes. However, the exact process and any potential implications will depend on a few factors, primarily the policies set by the specific business you booked with. This is a crucial point, and one we'll be emphasizing throughout this video. So, how do you go about canceling an appointment? Let's break it down step by step. The most straightforward way to cancel is directly through your Vagaro account. When you book an appointment, you usually receive a confirmation email or text message from Vagaro. This often contains a link to view or manage your appointment. Alternatively, you can log into your Vagaro client account on their website or through the Vagaro app. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Appointments or My Bookings section. Here, you'll see a list of all your upcoming appointments. Locate the appointment you wish to cancel. You should see an option, usually a button or link, that says Cancel or Reschedule. Clicking on Cancel will typically prompt you with a confirmation message, asking if you're sure you want to cancel. This is your last chance to reconsider. If you proceed, the appointment will be marked as canceled, and you'll usually receive a confirmation of the cancellation via email or text. Now, while the technical steps are fairly simple, the real nuances come into play with the business's cancellation policy. Every salon, spa, or fitness studio on Vagaro has the ability to set its own unique cancellation policy. These policies are put in place to protect the business from last-minute cancellations that can lead to lost revenue and wasted time. Common cancellation policies you might encounter include a required notice period, such as 24 or 48 hours. If you cancel within this time frame, you might avoid any fees. However, if you cancel outside of this window, or if you simply don't show up, a no-show, you could be subject to a cancellation fee, a percentage of the service cost, or even forfeiture of a deposit you might have paid. Some businesses might require a credit card on file to enforce these policies, while others might simply prevent you from booking future appointments if you have a history of no-shows or late cancellations. It's absolutely essential that you familiarize yourself with the cancellation policy of the specific business before you book. Most businesses display their policies prominently on their Vagaro profile page, during the booking process, and often in your confirmation emails. Taking a moment to read this information can save you a lot of headaches and potential financial penalties down the line. What if you're trying to cancel within the notice period, but you're having trouble with the app or website? Or what if you're outside the notice period but have a genuine emergency? In these situations, your best course of action is to directly contact the business. Most businesses appreciate a direct call or message, even if it's last minute. Explain your situation politely and see if they can accommodate you. While they are within their rights to enforce their policy, many businesses are understanding and might be willing to waive fees or reschedule if you communicate openly and honestly. Building a good relationship with your service providers is always beneficial. Sometimes, instead of canceling, you might want to reschedule. Vagaro also offers this functionality. Often, the cancel option will be accompanied by a reschedule option. Rescheduling directly through Vagaro can be a great alternative if you know you still want the service but just need a different time. Just like cancellations, rescheduling might also be subject to the business's policy, especially if you're trying to reschedule at the very last minute. Always check. Now, a quick word about deposits and prepayments. Some businesses on Vagaro require a deposit or full prepayment for certain services, especially for high-value appointments or for new clients. If you cancel an appointment for which you've paid a deposit, the refundability of that deposit will depend entirely on the business's policy. Make sure you understand these terms when you're making the payment. Don't assume a deposit is automatically refundable upon cancellation. Let's talk about some pro tips to make your Vagaro cancellation experience as smooth as possible. Firstly, always give as much notice as you can. The more notice you provide, the more likely the business is to fill that slot and avoid a loss, making them more amenable to waiving fees. Secondly, when you cancel online, take a screenshot of the cancellation confirmation. This serves as proof in case there's any discrepancy later. Thirdly, if you have to cancel last minute, especially outside the policy window, consider calling the business directly instead of just canceling online. A personal phone call can often go a long way in explaining your situation and potentially avoiding charges. Finally, if you consistently find yourself needing to cancel appointments, it might be worth reevaluating your scheduling habits. Booking too far in advance or overcommitting can lead to frequent cancellations, which can be frustrating for both you and the businesses you frequent. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.